Hello crafters! Today's video let's make customized frame resin. Sorry if I didn't take a video in the first part. So now let's cut off the printed message every single of words. Then let's put the cut sticker into the left side of the half of the heart. And make sure if it stick it nicely and looks better black heart hash. And I am preparing another mixing resin for the final coating into the frame. Now let's mix the resin and the resin hardener. I use ratio of 2:1 for the good outcome of the product. After I pour the mixed resin, I need to use hot water in a bowl while I stirring or mixing epoxy. To make sure no bubbles while you mixing it, because hot water helps to remove the bubbles in resin mixing. Then another way of mixing, I separate mica powder and pigment ink together. To mix it well and put into the start of the frame. And the remaining mixing clear resin I pour in the heart frame for the second coat. To look amazing outcome of this project. And it's done, and we need to wait another 12 hours that the resin become harder, and I demold it to the molder frame. After 12 hours of waiting, now it's time to demold the heart frame resin black heart hash. Looks so very nice and beautiful and there's no bubble inside of it. I also put who created this custom-made of resin, also the person who ordered it to me for her lovingly aunt's birthday present black heart hash. Wow! Look perfect! The final look of my custom-made product. For those who want to order resin custom made, just PM me at my Facebook account. This a perfect gift, handmade products with an effort and love to give in your special someone. Thank you so much. Please follow me for more and don't forget to share this video. Thanks crafters black heart hash.